Do you ever date any Indian man in your life? Acha, give me tips and tricks to impress Italian girls. All right.
What do you think of Italian girls?
Guys, welcome back once again to another vlog. और आज मैं और मामा मैन जा रहे हैं कुछ नया करने के लिए, कुछ इटालियंस को अप्रोच करने वाले हैं हम लोग। तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखते रहिएगा।
आज हम इटालियन लड़की से बात करेंगे,
हाँ,
उनको
हाँ।
अप्रोच करेंगे कुछ इंडिया के बारे में जानने के लिए।
हाँ हाँ।
वो हमारे बारे में क्या सोचती है, हम कुछ नया ट्राई करते हैं। आज हो सके उतना अप्रोच करते हैं आज थोड़ा।
आज बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे। पहली बार ऐसा ट्राई करने वाला हूँ, शायद मना कर दे या क्या करे। इंग्लिश भी आना चाहिए उनसे, ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी कि इंग्लिश भी आए।
हाँ, वो
अगर
भी
इंग्लिश आ जाएगी तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, फिर तो एक
पार्ले
वीडियो बना
इंग्लिश।
लेंगे कैसे भी करके। तो चलिए आज चलते हैं उसी दौर में। ब्रावो। तो ये अंकल ने कॉल किया और बोल रहे हैं कि ये थ्रेड को कट करो। गुआर्दा, देखो उसको। So today I am with some Italian girls. We were having a coffee and randomly asked them to answer some of the questions that you guys would be interested in. So can you please introduce yourself first? What's your good name?
Milena.
Mirena. Yours?
Virginia.
Virginia. And yours?
Gaia.
Gaia. So now we're gonna be asking some questions that would be very interesting. So my first question to you guys is like, what comes in your mind when the word India comes? I mean, what do you think about India or something like that?
Bollywood.
Movies, Bollywood.
Especially, yes.
Yes. So have you seen any Bollywood movie?
No, but I heard about this, so I am very interested, but I never seen one of these.
All right. All right.
Affari? Sì, siamo intervistate. Grazie.
Have you listened to any Bollywood song before?
Rio Mare? No. Yeah. Ma quella era una pubblicità? Vabbè.
No, quella che faceva pure su Just Dance.
Ah, yeah.
Which
But
One
it's
song.
so
But you-
famous. Ma come si chiama?
J-Ho.
Jai Ho.
J-Ho.
Great.
Evergreen.
Do you ever date any Indian man in your life?
Why not?
Why
Why
not?
not?
But depends.
Ah.
Noi siamo fidanzate.
I mean,
We are
like,
taken.
yes, that's really, I do agree. But suppose in future, like normal Italian girls, would they approach any Indian boy? It happens here.
Why not? We haven't so prejudices.
So
But-
what qualities do you look in a man, even if it is Italian or Indian or any other? Height, something.
Not the aspect, but the personality. If he treats me right, if so he respects me.
Respect. So that's
There is-
important,
the
right?
The most important thing is respect.
He
in a
must be
couple.
good at heart.
What do you think about our town, our city?
Literally, I'm in love with the nature, to be honest. The mountains, the rivers over here.
Yeah.
You know that park? Have you seen the park with the short river over there
La villa comunale.
near the engineering campus? So I love that thing. And when I open the window, I see the mountain, Monte Cassino. Really, I just impressed by that. So whenever I wake up in the morning, I go to mountain to have a jog. I don't like too many people in a city, so that's why.
Our area is very beautiful.
Really. I've been to Frosinone, other villages also, but there is no other place like Cassino, to be
Cassino
honest.
is better than Cassino is better of Frosinone.
Oh,
Absolutely.
casinos people.
Especially Cassino's people.
People also, yes. I have many Italian friends from Cassino. Have you watched that web series Cam Italia?
Yeah.
I loved it. Really, I liked it. To learn a little bit of Italian, I used to watch that web series, Scam Italia.
Any other good series than Scam. It is fundamentally funny, and talks about teenagers. But fundamentally, there are many other series that are more educative.
All right. Do you watch English web series? Have you watched Friends?
Yeah.
It's wonderful, right? It's really wonderful.
Very funny.
I'm watching it like I'm on the third season. Yeah, right now.
Grazie,
Just-
mi sono fermata prima.
What do you think about Indian culture?
Non siamo neanche così tanti.
Beautiful.
Uh-huh.
The clothes,
The clothes.
type of culture.
You know what is sari? Sari.
Sari.
Yes, you. Ladies saris, yeah. So that our women's wears generally in India, and I have noticed that whenever you guys talk, you talk mainly with the hand gestures.
Ah, yes.
Kick arts or something like that.
Gesticoliamo, yeah.
And you guys are in high school, all of you.
Yeah.
Which standard?
Che cosa?
Like, do you have classes 8, 9, 10th or something like that?
Here there are
5 years.
5 years. We
Oh,
are
high school.
at
Prime
the
area.
the
See?
5th year. We are
Uh-huh.
in the last
we
year.
are 18.
18.
18.
Yeah.
All of you guys?
Yes.
Great. So after 1 year you will start your university
Yes. The next year.
The
the
next,
next
year.
year. So where you will go, I mean, in casino only or outside?
No,
To Rome.
to Rome. In Rome.
Everybody visits to Rome only for university studies. But we came all the way from India to casino. See? Destiny. Do you know any Hindi words? Hindi language? No.
No.
And you?
But I would like to know.
Uh-huh.
Windy.
You guys are more focused with health, right? Do you meditate? Any one of you? Meditation?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Because I'm a strong believer of meditation. To keep the body calm and peaceful, it's really important.
We
Alright.
haven't time. We don't have time to do it. But
Really?
we are very busy. We have many things to do, and meditation is.
What do
On
you do?
Sunday.
We study.
You study? Great.
abbiamo
And
tante
do you
cose.
guys dance?
No, io no.
Yes.
Sometimes.
No, io.
Yes, I know.
I'm not good at dancing.
Singing?
Non ne parliamo proprio, no.
Vabbè,
Però vabbè, canta sì.
We sing
In the free time we
Sing.
can
Bathrooms?
sing.
Bathroom singer like
yeah,
that?
Yeah.
Do you pray God daily?
No, personally no.
Uh-huh.
Preghiamo Dio giornalmente?
Now,
No. Sì, noi.
For the food, we know.
food everybody knows, pasta,
Yeah.
pizza, this too, basically. And you have gelato also.
Gelato.
Beh, che non siamo solo pizza, pasta e mandolino. We're not only pizza, pasta, mandolino,
What
many
else?
other things to show of our country. For example, art,
Arts especially. I've seen
monuments,
graffiti on walls.
institutions, monuments. There are many things to watch, not only the food.
Museums.
Have you been-
Museums.
Have you been to Venice?
Yes.
I have never.
Venice.
I've been to Milan, but not Venice. I wish to go there. Let's see when.
You ever been to the south
Of Italy, Naples.
No, Naples. I have to
Sicily.
visit. No.
No,
No.
it's beautiful.
Naples. Yes, I'll go once. I've been to Gaeta. I've been to Amalfi. Amalfi
Amalfi è
Coast.
molto bello.
It was really beautiful. And Formia, it's near to Gaeta only. And only these things. Acha, give me tips and tricks to impress Italian girls. All right. All right. That I will try. How can I do
che
that?
cazzo ne so io però, tesoro mio.
It's difficult.
Very depends on the type of girl. Where you meet her. if you're dancing. Però vabbè, no. Come conquista?
Flowers.
No, suppose like what to talk so that they can get impressed. Like suppose if we met on Facebook or Instagram, then
Ah, ma guarda, noi non siamo proprio
really hard because almost every girl has a boyfriend here, so it's hard.
And we have already a boyfriend.
It's better to meet face to face than write on Instagram or on Facebook, but you can
Be calm.
It's important to meet.
Honest.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
important
Yeah.
to meet and to know each other.
Long distance relationship doesn't work here. No.
It's important, the contact of
Yeah. A lunga
The
distanza.
contact is going on. Suppose if your boyfriend is in Milan, so is it possible? Yes.
It is very difficult. So difficult.
Uh-huh.
Because you're not in contact for a long time and the calls on FaceTime that are come si può dire il massimo, they aren't they are the best.
All right. So it's better to be in close.
What do you think of Italian girls?
Ecco, brava.
To be honest, yesterday only or the day before yesterday we were talking about Italian girls only, and I have been to Milan. I have been to Rome, and I was in Cassino and other villages also. But the girls of Cassino are truly beautiful, to be honest. I mean, South Italy girls are really beautiful than the North Italian girls. And you are really pretty, basically, and good by heart, especially. From my Italian classmates are good. So based on that, yes, you guys are really good.
Thanks.
And what else I can say?
And what do you think of Cassino's University?
University. University. Studies are so and so, to be honest. So and so. Because in India we
know.
used to study very hard, but here studies are easy as compared to India. So it's like normal going on. It's good overall, I could say. Have you ever met any Indian before me? No, really.
No.
Who speak very slow English. You understand slow words.
Yeah.
Ho capito. I understand, but I speak fast. I know. Anyways, I think here we should end it up here. So thank you for coming. Thank you for coming to the show. And thank you for shooting this video, Mama. Because he hold it in his hand like this for a long time. So thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.